Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to add a bookmark to your device. So this is going to be a really short video. It's the shortest video I ever made. So here we have the school oil cannon. So if you want to add that to your bookmark so you can go back to it. If you want to do it earlier, then you just press this right here. On the top of the screen, this upload button. So then you want to press add bookmark. You can name it, but you can't change the thing. If you change it, you can't change it. So then you save that. So then you're done. So you click this book right here. You see this right next to the district homepage on top of that. You click that, and then here are they. So then you can click on your link. And let me try this. And let me go back to add. So then you press this add. So then you press the link, and it will take you right to the menu. That's how you do it, and I hope you succeed in this task. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.